the 4p graph. This is the part 2, and that's the 4p graph. And this is at r is equals to 0. This is what's this r. This was a psi square. Now the length of the graph is the same formula and means L minus 1. So how to do? Here here 1 minute. వద్దమ్మా. So this is positive. R is equals to infinity. And this is decreasing graphs. So you need to just decrease one side of the graph to the another. R is equals to 0, infinity. This is 4p graph, and up to here this is 3p graph. You can just represent, okay. Next I will draw one more graph so that it will be better. I'll draw for 4s. I will draw for 4s. Just listen. For this graph I am drawing. So length of graph, first we need to calculate n minus l minus 1. 4 minus 0 minus 1, it is 3. As it is s orbital, you need to start from maximum. This I square and this is r, and the length of the graph is 3. This is maximum. 1, 2, 3, and this is the last one. See, this takes only the positive values, and the graph is the decreasing one, and at r is equals to 0 the graph value is the maximum, and r is equals to infinity, it is the minimum. So for the s orbital, the probability of density finding can be same from this graph. That is, for s orbital, it is at the center, the density of the electron is more, and as you go away the density of the electron decreases. So this graph represents the meaning. Next graph I am going to draw is probability density function. Means this type of graphs, see, this type of graph, it represent both coordinate and density of electron with respect to nuclei of atom for different sub energy levels. So it represents both the coordinate and the density of electron with respect to the nuclei of the atom for different sub energy levels. And here for s orbital, graph starts from minimum, that is r is equals to 0. So this is an exception. This is the major exception here. For s orbital, graph starts from minimum, that is a major exception, and all the remaining rules are similar to chi-square versus r graphs. So hope I will draw one graph, that is firstly 4p graph. This is r, this is, and this is 4 pi, sorry, I forgot to say you, this is 4 pi r square dr chi-square versus r graphs. Now I'm writing, see, 4 pi r square dr chi-square versus r graphs. Now I have told you, as this is a p orbital, you can start from the minimum, no problem. So first you need to calculate length of graph, that is n minus l minus 1, that is 4 minus 1 minus 1, that is 2. So the total number of radial nodes are 2. Now firstly you need to draw like this. Next the graphs will be increased. This is r is equals to infinity, this is r is equals to 0, and you can see the graphs are increasing, and it takes only the positive values. So this is the general representation of both coordinates as well as the density of the electron simultaneously by the graphs of 4 pi r square dr chi-square. Next graph is, let me draw for 4s so you could understand better. Four S graphs. So when I take for 4s, this is versus r, this is 4 pi r square chi-square dr, just excuse me, forgive me, 4 pi r square dr chi-square, and this is versus r. And even though it is an s orbital, the graphs here start from the minimum. This is the exception, and I have told you length of the graph n minus l minus 1, that is 4 minus 0 minus 1, that is 3. This is r is equals to 0, and you can see these are the radial nodes, and this is r is equals to infinity. So the 4s are graphs. So generally this is the graphical methods for representation of the electronic structure of the atom and the density of the electrons around the nucleus with respect to the distance we are taking, that is small r, and to represent the coordinates, to represent only the density of the electrons, to represent both simultaneously. These three radial graphs are used, and based upon the radial nodes we are taking the length of the graph, and for s orbital we have seen the exception and even the basic points. So this is how you need to know the concept, and directly in the JEE Advanced or JEE Mains exam they will ask you to draw the graph, means they will ask you to select the correct graph for the correct given sub energy level, or either they can ask about the psi square or the psi and what it represent. They can ask in the multi correct or single correct. They can ask directly the type of the graph to be selected for a particular energy level. So this is the concept you need to learn. And if you have any doubts, you can any concept, and I will upload based upon the concepts where the students are lagging. But if you have any special doubts, you can comment in the comment section, so that I will try my level best to explore my limits and to give you the best education. So thank you one and all, and this is the part 2, and the part 1 will be I will upload first the part 1, and after this is the part 2, and both combinedly you can see approximately 20 minutes videos both are, so you can follow. And in the 40 minutes you can learn the entire core JEE advanced concept. So thank you one and all.